Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Run, run. He's fast. He's overtaking. Come, run, 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 run.
You come, one of you come this side. Are we ready?
Line.
There's the pattern also, no? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1,
Yeah, but if you do it this way, then you can activate your palms. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. He will join us in his pet.
Hi, morning.
Say
Hi
good
to him.
morning.
Hi, hi.
See the
Happy to
bit.
see you all.
See, I met him in another event. I just met him for the first time, and he said he will come. And he has a foldable cycle. He uses cycle as a commute to office. One way, how many kilometers?
28 kilometers one way.
28, back and forth.
56 kilometers.
Once one way, 28 kilometer he cycles and back. Do you wear your helmet all
Yes,
the time?
yes, with the
How
gear.
many of you have not got helmets today? Please go buy helmets today. Okay, make it mandatory. If you don't have cycles, also keep that helmet. It will be helpful during cycle days. Because Cycle World gives you rental cycles. They don't rent out helmets, right? All of you, please make it mandatory. Because if you have a fall, chances of injuries will be lesser when you wear helmets. Okay. So one quick thanks to Murugan for acknowledging, and he was there sharp 6:25 at this place.
Yeah.
HSR has not gotten up, but he has come from all the way from Petpal.
Yeah.
Right, so that is another 3 cheers to Murugan. Hip, hip.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Similar time, so that's what traffic police said. And thanks. Rotary Bengaluru HSR. We just completed 10 years last month and we finished 10 years of cycling only in HSR layout. Isn't it a hubba, cycle hubba, right? We want more and more of you to get your friends, family, parents, or everybody to come month on month. Next month also, just 1 week before Christmas, because it becomes a long weekend, we will announce. Get your cycle. How many don't have cycles now for riding here? No. If you don't have cycle, the idea of cycle day is to encourage take cycle. See, rentals are available, but don't make it habit. Try rental cycles 1, 2, 3 months. You then become
Yeah, if you like cycling,
right?
get one.
Then it becomes a life cycle. Get your own cycle. Enjoy cycling. Children with adults. Right? The road is also not so bad that we always fear. The moment children are on road. That is why cycle day is to get the first-hand experience. And this is not a race. Please, it's not a race.
Okay, yeah.
That anyway.
Follow that.
And your safety is utmost important for us. Don't go racing at junctions, and because
Your parents have sent you that they can get you back without injuries. Okay, remember
anybody on two-wheeler today here,
this. Because normally we don't drive on cycle roads.
one
right?
of you can go along just on the side, because today
Yeah,
there
just keep an eye like.
adults are lesser here today. There are elderly children, but these guys also will only race. We have seen the teenage is like, I need to go fast. So there will be there are no prizes.
Okay?
Yeah, we also have 2 skaters here. Okay, clap for them.
And you can go actually 5 kilometers walking with the cycling team.
Come. No, you can next time want to join us. We'll do that. 6, 7, 8, 9. Your parents can join. 7,
No, they should
8,
join.
9, 10. Next, other leg. 1,
And nobody can
2,
folded hands. They all have to
3,
go.
4. Push it. And look at me only. Don't turn your body, guys. Don't. This arm should be straight. Okay, and touch this back. With the back, it's okay, abdomen. Do this. 1, 2, like chakki. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can't see you guys. Many of the boys and girls are not doing 8, 9. Volunteers all join. 8, parents join. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now right and left. Okay, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now slowly back to jog. Slowly back.
We would like to thank Shanish from Lisa Foundation, who have been working for a long time encouraging open streets. You know what is open street? How many of you apartment complex it's okay, but in front of independent houses it becomes difficult, right? So you block some street like this. See, the kids have gotten some rangoli, something like 1.5 hours of fun time together with their friends and neighbors, etc. Right? So ESAF encourages more and more open streets and sustainable commute like cycling, public transport, etc. How many of you have used HSR feeder bus till now? Only very few have used. Have you all heard about HSR feeder bus? How many of you use public transport to commute regularly? Okay, one hand showing two hands. So very few. Point is, the whole idea of this cycling is encouraging more cycling towards, along with elders if you're all smaller, but as you grow, use cycle as your local commute, use public transport wherever possible. So feeder bus is nothing but it starts from Agra and it is a loop. Near the club also it comes, right? So you can go around. Whenever you have to travel, make an attempt weekly once if you have to go. Try using public transport, you are the future, right? That is number one. We would like to thank Rotary, Bengaluru Rotary HSR who has consistently for last 2 years encouraging the cycling month on month. Can we have a round of applause for Bengaluru Rotary HSR?
Call the traffic police.
Okay, come here.
Agarwal. Okay, guys.
And
All the white
Maybe.
T-shirts have been sponsored by Dr. Agarwal. They are the biggest eye hospital. Their hospital is in Koramangala. Guys, please see the traffic police. Sorry. Give a big hand.
Kids, can you come closer? Thank you. Thank you. Yes! And at the route is from here it's about 5.25 kilometers. Please follow the ones who are in green. Okay, there will be last, there is the first. In between also, whoever is leading can wear some. This one I believe. Suresh, you can wear this green if you want. Whoever it is, but please don't race. My humble request. All the kids, they tend to move to the right. Vehicles are moving at high speed these days. Adults can be on the right hand side. You all please guide. Okay, one more, once more. Is HSR ready? Yes! Are you ready to cycle? Yes!
Go. Left.
Come on, Rotary HSR!
Left, keep left. Keep left.